So how does the egg goes into the bottle? As the match burns inside the bottle, the air inside expands due to temperature increase. The egg is then placed on top of the bottle. As the match inside burns out, the pressure inside of the bottle becomes lower. Hence, the egg is pushed into the bottle by the pressure outside.